Hi, I'm Tom Ruiz and I'm a math supervisor. Today we're going to discuss the lattice method of division. It's used in Singapore math, which is a new math series that's out in the school districts now. And it's a little bit different than your traditional division method. Here's an example of what it looks like. So 7 into 843. Instead of just starting to divide like we normally would with our normal steps, we're going to draw a line down the side of our problem like this. And we're going to take our divisor, which is 7, and we're going to start to think of multiples of either 10 or 100 that can get into 843. So if we multiply 7 times 100, that'll give us 700, which is smaller than 843. Your object is to get something smaller. If you take 7 times 200, that's going to give you 1,400. That's too big. So you got to multiply 7 times 100. 7 times 100, 700. Do the subtraction, 143. Now, if you multiply 7 times 100 again, you're going to get 700 down here, which is way too big. So now you need to go to your multiples of 10. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 20 is 140, which is very close to 143. So instead of using 7 times 10, you want to use the next multiple of 10, which is 7 times 20. So we're going to multiply 7 times 20 and get 140. Subtract 3. Now, using multiples of 100 or 10, 7 times either one of those numbers, 100 or 10, are going to be way too big, bigger than 3. So you're done with your division. We have 100 and we have 20 on this side of our problem. What you need to do is add those numbers. You get 120, and this 3 down here is your remainder. So your answer to this problem is 120, remainder 3, by using the lattice method of division instead of your traditional method. I'm Tom Ruiz. You do the math.